I like the functional motion class because I'm not really an exercise person. And I come here and Stasia does all these stretching exercises, which makes me better all the time. My feet go up and down like they're supposed to now. I can sit up straight in my car. Every time I turn around, there's something better that's happening to me. Stasia even tries to help us working in the garden, picking out weeds, the proper position and stuff. So I am just super happy with functional motion.